and this is going to be my first art challenge video. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to upload at least once a week, so I'm crossing it. Hi, I'm Ronald, and this is going to be my first art challenge video. Hi, I'm Ronald, and this is going to be my first art challenge video. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to upload at least once a week, so I'm crossing fingers that I'll be able to do that. But for today's episode, I'm gonna be doing an art challenge using the materials I bought from Unitop. In case if you don't know what Unitop is, it's a one-stop shop where you can purchase various items from appliances, RWs, school supplies, art supplies. Basically sold at a lesser price because they're offering generic brands. So we didn't put them on Google because this is not a paid advertisement, so Google on the mga brand. But for today's episode, Unitop Art Challenge. The first item that I bought is a 12 colored pencil set at 29 pesos. And then next is markers. Markers at 6 set colored markers. And then a watercolor that cost me 35 pesos. And then a brush pen that cost me 149 pesos. It's water based. It's water based, yeah, it's water based and it cost me 149 pesos. So, zero items. So I just finished the art challenge using the Unitop products that I bought, and here is the final outcome. I'm not sure what to call this art piece yet, so if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave it below. And also I'll be posting the full image on my Instagram account. You may follow me at Talanierski for more art updates, and then I'm hoping that I'll be able to upload an art challenge next week, so feel free to subscribe, and I guess that's it. Until next episode, goodbye.